just so horrible. Through my stories seldom told, I have scanned my resistance for a pocket full of numbers and surprises. Whole lies unjust till I'm up here that I want to hear and disregards the rest. When I left my home and my family, I was no more than a boy in the company of strangers, in the height of the railway station running scared. Laying low, seeking out the poor quarters where the rotten people go, looking for the peace